I can show you. This is one more. This is also exhibition, light blue with yellow face. This is also same, 1.5 month old. Nice, beautiful. You can see big size, exhibition size of pair babies.
कितने old है?
1.5 month old. They're gonna grow more, and the size gonna be changed. Face gonna be changed. Everything gonna be changed. I'm gonna keep updating you these chicks because I'm gonna keep these chicks and breed them. Nice, lovely color. You can see very active, both of them. One is slightly naughty, the other one is scared to roaming around. You can see